Thiku imwe tu thutha wa Arigitani kaunti-inĩ ya Embu kuruta Mukaana wa kuiga mirothi magitetia thirikari ya kaunti ni gucerithiria mishara yao, riu Arigitani kaunti-inĩ ya Narok ni matashukitie ikinyota riri na kuruta Mukaana wa kugoma angikorwo mateta mao matikurumbuiyo. Matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa kiama gia KMPD gitari-ini kia muhuro wa bururi Davji Atelia ni matetetie thirikari ya kaunti ya Narok makiuga ni gukoretwo na unyihu wa marigitari kaunti-ini ino makiri ihinda-ini riri murimu wa COVID-19 uthiete na mbere na kung'ethanirwo naguo.
There's a CBA that was signed by the Narok County government. So basically the things that the doctors and the healthcare workers are going on strike for are the basic rights that have been denied by the county over the years. And several forums that have been brought forth has failed to implement this. And secondly, we also look at it that there's been a pandemic, and then the doctors and all the healthcare workers have been tired that they cannot offer optimum services because of the shortages.
Mwena-ini wake muikariri giti wa kiama kia Manathi Henry Onyancha ni atetete thirikari ya kaunti ya Narok akiuga matingihota kwirugamirira na insurance kuona thirikari ndirihite marihi kuri NHIF.
They have to employ more health workers, and then about the medical insurance, that one has to be taken care of. Statutory deductions. We as healthcare workers, we are being subjected to untold suffering. When you go to the circle, you are told that the county government has not remitted. We have loans in the banks.
Health workers in Narok County are asking for comprehensive health cover from NHIF. We have had county government saying that they have employed. They have employed true, but those are universal healthcare workers under the UHC. All what we are asking the county government is, can these health workers be absorbed in the county, because we have a big shortage in every department. Every cadre there is a big shortage in this county.
Oho, Arigitani aya maugite ni gukoretwo na unyihu wa indo cia kugita murimu wa COVID-19 na kumaiga ugwati-ini wa kunyitwo ni murimu uyu. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Maina.